This sum is totally different from the previous sums that were given in previous videos. Those sums were of trigonometric based, and this sum is totally different from trigonometric based, means algebraic it is. Algebraic form it is. To solve these sums, first of all, divide this part by x square, means divide numerator and denominator by x square and write as 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 3 x square by x square plus 1 by x square. Tan inverse x plus 1 by x dx. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus this part here 1 by x square plus 3. Tan inverse x plus 1 by x dx. Now use formula here, a square plus b square as 1 by 1 minus x square and a plus b whole square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x and plus 3. Tan inverse x plus 1 by x dx. Now write 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x whole square plus 1 into tan inverse x plus 1 by x dx. Now put x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Put x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Then 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Then I is equal to dt by t square plus 1 tan inverse t. Now again put t square plus 1 as now write again put tan inverse t is equal to z. Then 1 by 1 plus t square dt is equal to dz. Then I is equal to, from here, then I is equal to dz by z. of 1 by 1 plus t square is equal to dz. Then here will be z. Now this is equal to log z plus c. Now put the value of z equal to log z is equal to tan inverse t, tan inverse t plus c. Now put the value of t, log tan inverse t is equal to x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x plus c. This is the final answer.